Best drama application out there today, and I'm showing you guys how to use it like a pro. So make sure you watch the full video. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very simple layout, and you have quite a lot of drama films or movies which you can choose from. A lot of them. Some of them you may need subscription, however, some of them you may need to unlock the episodes with some of these short movies. So as you can see here, you can scroll and you can also see your recently watched down here, and pretty much you can scroll on for whatever you want. You can also go in the news section here and show new releases, and you also have some that's coming soon. You can add a reminder for that as well. You can go at the search bar at the top here and search for what you want, and you can also see what other people are searching. Pretty much the popular section. So it all depends upon you guys. So in the short section, this is pretty much like the TikTok scrolling option where you can just scroll, and we'll pretty much show you different types of drama movies, short parts of the drama movie, the interesting part. And if you like it, you can just stop on the episode zone here. If you're not seeing it, it's because of the privacy policy, so do keep that in mind. Privacy policies will cause you guys not to see the movies or so forth. So you may not be able to see this section here, but I will just remove it. So that's pretty much it for the short section here. So it's just like a scrolling option where you can find different movies which you can pretty much choose from as well. So here in the list section is pretty much where you will see all the recently watched movies, as you can see here, and also the collection section. These are movies that you have added to your favorite list. So in the profile section here, as you can see here, it will show you your coins, which you're going to need coins to purchase episodes. So if you go in the episode section of any one of these drama movies or any shows, you're going to see some of them with a lock icon. So the ones with the lock icon, you may need to purchase those, whether it be coins or if you have a subscription, to pretty much unlock all of these episodes. So at the top here, it will say subscribe. I'll just tap on the subscription page here. So in the subscription page, you have the weekly subscription, as you can see here, the price. You have a monthly subscription, as you can see the price, and you have a year subscription. And pretty much what we get in. So if you want to purchase the monthly or any one of these subscriptions here, we get all series unlocked, and you won't have to purchase any episodes. So let's say you don't want to purchase any subscription, you just want a couple coins to unlock a few episodes. You can tap on the top up option down here. As you can see here, you can see all the prices as it relates to you getting coins, and episodes on this application here cost around 50 coins, not very expensive. So you can either purchase your coins or you can get a subscription, which pretty much unlocks all episodes. So it all depends upon you guys. So let's say you don't have any money to purchase any coins or anything like that. There's a way you can get free coins by just doing a few tasks or watching a few ads. So here down here it says rewards. This section here pretty much gives you free coins for just using the application. These are just bonus coins here, different from coins itself. So do keep that in mind. So as you can see here, you get bonus coins here. As you can see, quite a lot of them as well by just doing a few tasks. So some of these episodes may ask you can watch an ad to unlock them. That's a way as well which you can unlock some of the episodes of for pretty much any movie here. Some of these short movies you may see exclusive for some of them as well. Those are going to need a subscription to watch those. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very easy. And in the offline download, this is pretty much where you see all the downloaded movies in that section there. So very easy application to use. And if I've missed anything at all, just please comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.